Huge package arrives. I'm so excited to unbox Dart. Visuals pop on camera. Sleek branding, clean minimalist box. First impressions, professional, modern, feels built for teams. Quick overview. Dart manages projects with AI support. On AppSumo today, grab the best deal available. Unboxing complete. Let's dive into real-world testing. I set up a project in under 5 minutes. Interface is intuitive. No steep learning curve whatsoever. Built-in AI agents asked clarifying questions instantly. Very helpful. Task planning becomes faster. AI suggests practical task breakdowns. I approved suggestions and adjusted timelines within seconds. Visual Timeline Builder makes dependencies obvious and manageable. Dragging tasks on the timeline felt satisfyingly smooth. Team collaboration. AI agents act like productive virtual teammates. Shared workspaces keep everyone aligned. Reduce endless status meetings. Freelancers will love the quick planning and clarity. Project managers. You get timelines, accountability, and fewer surprises. Small teams benefit from centralized tasks and AI help. I tested complex dependencies. Dart handled them cleanly. Notifications are sensible, not spammy, appreciated for focus. Integrations are solid. Sync with tools you already use. AI reduced manual work. Saved me hours weekly. I noticed fewer miscommunications across team members immediately. The Visual Builder enforces on-time delivery and clarity. Sometimes AI suggestions require human context tweaks. Minor. But edits are simple. Control stays firmly with you. Security felt robust during my testing and team demos. Pricing on AppSumo is compelling compared to monthly competitors. Lifetime or limited deals there make this a steal. Design is clean, performance snappy even with big projects. Search and filters speed retrieval across numerous tasks. I appreciated AI meeting summaries after quick syncs. Exporting timelines to PDF made stakeholder updates effortless. Mobile experience works well for freelancers on the go. Onboarding felt guided, not overwhelming for new team members. AI templates jumpstart planning for common project types. Customization options are adequate for most workflows I tested. Occasional AI misinterpretation happened, but corrections are quick. Collaboration logs help audit changes and decisions easily. I liked the balance between automation and manual control. Performance metrics give insights for on-time delivery improvements. Dart scales from solo freelancers to teams smoothly. If you hate admin work, Dart will feel liberating. My honest caveat, advanced enterprise features may be limited, but for PMs, small teams, freelancers, it's fantastic value. User support responded quickly during my setup questions. Regular updates promise improvements and new AI capabilities soon. Workflow automation reduces repetitive tasks significantly over time. I recommend trying the AppSumo deal before it expires. Getting in early locks better pricing and possible bonuses. Final verdict, Dart speeds planning and improves predictable delivery. It's a strong fit for project managers seeking efficiency gains. Small teams get aligned roadmaps without endless meetings. Freelancers gain clarity, better timelines, and happier clients. Warning, act fast. AppSumo deals are time-limited. Click the link, claim the Dart deal on AppSumo now. Try it on a pilot project to test workflows quickly. If it fits, roll it out across your entire team. I'll keep using it. Expect more updates from me. Subscribe for follow-ups. Go grab Dart on AppSumo today.